Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today we will be comparing the VIVITAR AEROVIEW drone with the Kaptur GPS2. Specifically, we will just test out their return to home feature. We want to see which one would come back and land where it's supposed to, or where it took off from. So let's give it a go with first place, the VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone. Okay, let's test it out. Let's make sure that everything is working properly. It looks pretty stable. Let's just go around and come back. Okay, everything seems to be fine. All right, let's push the return to home button and see what it does. Okay, it came back. It's looking for its takeoff point. It seems to be working properly, but it landed quite a few feet from where it took off. So that's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 feet away, which is not bad. So let us test the Challenger, if you will. Okay, lift up good. Pretty stable. It's kind of windy, but it is stable. And let's bring it down a little bit. All right, let's go. Okay. Let's push the button now. Wow. Came back, searching for its takeoff point. Oh, actually it did slightly better than the AEROVIEW on the first try. So let's take it all over. Let's go again and see what happens. I did not turn the AEROVIEW off, and I'm not turning off the Kaptur 2 or Kaptur GPS 2, just so that I do not lose GPS signal and have to search for one, especially with the VIVITAR AEROVIEW. Okay. Make sure it's facing the other way. Wow. It's searching. It looks like it's gonna do better than the last time. Oh, it bounced off the board. It did pretty good. Actually, that's about a 99.99999% accuracy right there. Wow, let's see what the Kaptur 2, let's see if it can match that right now. Wow, that was impressive. Okay. Take off. You've noticed it's just going up and up. That's one thing about this drone. It doesn't really have a fixed hover, or mostly it would lift up to about 10 feet and stop, but sometimes it just keeps going. So it's not good to fly this drone indoor because you can never tell. But let's bring it back down, and then let's go. Okay, it looks pretty stable. Let's see what's gonna do this time around. Okay, came back. It's searching for its takeoff point. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, this is impressive. That is about a 99.99% accuracy as well. So it did pretty good. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you all. Okay, the VIVITAR one more time, and let's see if it's gonna come back to the same spot that it took off. Let's go. Wow, this is really impressive. Both of them are actually performing really good. Okay, it's stable. It's windy, but it's stable. Okay. Wow. Searching. This is it's worth watching the second time. Wow, that was very good. Wow. So as you can see, it actually went on the first round. Both of them landed about 4 feet away, but after that they've just been hitting the bullseye. So that is really good. I am impressed. So guys, there you go. I'll give this round to the VIVITAR AEROVIEW video drone, simply because it is my favorite drone, and of course I would have to give it to it. So but both of them did pretty well, and we can count on them at least returning, and on several try hitting their takeoff point. So that was really good. Okay guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments below, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and kindly let me know if there is any comparison between these two drones you would like to see, and I'll be happy to make the video for you. Thank you, and bye bye.